Hello everyone, I am Shruti. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I want to start my speech with a Hindi poetry. आज देखो फिर वो रात आएगी, होठों पर आज़ादी की बात आएगी। आज देखो फिर वो रात आएगी, होठों पर आज़ादी की बात आएगी। किसी के लिए खुला आसमान है आज़ादी, तो किसी के लिए अपना ये जहान है आज़ादी। अपनी अपनी नज़रों का एक नज़रिया है आज़ादी, खुलकर जीने का एक ज़रिया है आज़ादी। खुलकर जीने का एक ज़रिया है आज़ादी। सपनों में जो देखा वो ख्वाब है आज़ादी। दिल की धड़कनें जो बढ़ा दे वो जज्बात है आज़ादी। When I talk about freedom, freedom does it really means that free from Britishers only? No, obviously not. Freedom varies from person to person. Here, all are present here have their different opinions on freedom. Children want to free from studies. When we talk about adults want to free from their pressure, their judgments. And when we talk about aged person, they want to free from the diseases they are suffering, cleansed by the pain they are suffering from. When I talk about myself, according to my point of view, being a girl, I want to free from judgments. People always judge girls on the basis of how they are wearing, how they are talking, where they are going, to whom they are talking, and all about matters that. Why these questions only arises on girls only? Why we don't treat like a human? We are always suppressed every time. Now my second point of view is that people got stuck in a busy life. They got stuck in an environment of gadgets and their busy life of workload only. Nowadays we got freedom from Britishers, but till we don't get freedom from our busy life workloads and pressure only. So we want to get freedom. We have to give time to ourselves. We have to give a part of life to ourselves, to our health, to our mentality also. And जब अच्छा रहेगा स्वास्थ्य हमारा, तभी लगेगा भारत माँ की जय का नारा। थैंक यू।